Hey guys, it's Oliver. Uh, just got to the shop. Gonna wrench with Richard today on the Nova a little bit. Possibly check out his truck before a road trip. He's going out to Ohio, taking his turbo Mopar out there to some dudes that specialize. But I think we're gonna try to pull the motor out of the Nova back there. I was gonna check out the 4.8 that I have. Customer gave it to me. Was just like, you want this 4.8 and a 4-bolt main 350? And I was like, okay. Don't know anything about it. The only thing I did was pull the heads off of it because I didn't know if it was a 4.3 or 4.8 or 5.3. I didn't feel like looking down the spark plug holes. I knew I was going to pull the heads anyways. And it's a 4.8. If I remember right, the bores don't look that hot, so gonna have to put on the engine stand, pull the pistons out, maybe hone out the cylinders, see if there's any other damage. Looks stock, but someone must have messed with it because it has some silver paint on it, and I can tell some of the fasteners were messed with all over the motor. So it's an early 4.8 with the thick crank flange. So it came out of a manual transmission truck, which is pretty odd. It's rare. I've actually maybe never even seen any of those. I'll go over and try to unbury it, show you guys that motor. It's way in the back of the shop, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to get it in the front and put it on the stand. There she is. I already, I guess a while ago, pulled off the rear seal housing. I guess I wanted to see if that cam was stock, and it is, unfortunately. But yeah, the bores are pretty, yeah. Don't know what happened in there. No visible real rust anywhere, but it's like this thing had a rough life. Some of the cylinders I can barely make out, some cross hatching, but other than that, yeah, it's not the best engine I've seen, and we'll see how bad it is. Like I said, I'll get it on the stand, start working on it a little bit. Alright, there's the 6.2. Last week, me and Richard pulled it out. Turbo. I gotta get this cherry picker over to the 4.8 area so I can put that on the engine stand, start tearing that thing down to see if we can use that 4.8 in the Nova. Nice and empty engine compartment again, so it's gonna be fun to get that thing going. Yeah, not the best shape. I have no clue what's going on here. Yeah. Maybe some blown head gasket at one time, or just got water in it. I don't know. This side, yeah, not too hot. I don't feel anything though, so maybe it's just superficial. Light hone job will get rid of that stuff. Weird goop. Just a kind of a this is one of the nastier LSs I've seen. That's not scattered. All right, I'm gonna start tearing her down.